Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day, whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening. I'm glad you guys are here. So today we are going to make our second attempt to take out the bearings on the Kizer Varatas and replace them with some skiffs. Last time I tried with the 5mm 1/16 and they seemed a little thick, so I'm going to measure these out. We're going to take this guy apart. We are going to see what the size of the bearings are. Hopefully these will work. We'll see what happens. But first, guys, I want to say thank you to the channel members. Thank each and every one of you. You're all so important to me. I appreciate you. And thanks to anybody who comes in to watch my videos, to watch my knife content, my EDC content, my disassembly videos. I really appreciate it. I would love it if you guys would take just a second and hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon. It really helps me out, lets more people see my videos, and also alerts you when new stuff happens on the channel. So the Varatas has T6 body screws and a T8 pivot. I know this because if you guys have followed the channel, this is the second time we are attempting to do a skiff bearing upgrade. And thanks to Skiff Bearings, I'll link them down below. I've also got a discount code there. And thanks to Get Good Screw for hooking me up with this killer driver. Alright, so let's switch out our bit. Go to our pivot. Great captive pivot. It's the Ray Laconico design. Probably one of my favorite Kizer recent models that I've tried. Alright, moment of truth. We are going to use our cheat sheet and see what size these little stamp bearings are. One. Get this bad boy out of the track. All right. So we have got 5mm pivot, so we're good there. They go right through that 3/64. I can feel it, but it looks like it's just perfect. So let's try. I've got some 5mm 3/64 skiffs. Show you guys again the difference. These are 15 balls. And we're replacing that with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if you look at the surface area, you've got a stamp bearing versus a solid phosphorus bronze bearing. You've got 15 ceramic balls versus 9. So in my mind, which is an English psychology mind that's not very smart, I think that's going to give you more stability, more surface area, and make just for a better performing blade, in my opinion. So what I'm going to do first is real quickly zap a little alcohol, clean up what we got. Do this. Boom, 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 boom. All right, clean out our blade area. And our old lube, goo there. Boom. Clean that out. All right. Now, let's get our KPL original, get our KPL heavy. I'm going to start with our KPL heavy. I'm going to put a little glob a little bit on my detent ball. And that is more than enough oil. Lube, but now I'm going to put just a drop, 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 drop. Now I'm going to get a little bit on my bearing. Condition that bad boy. Boom. Make sure my pivots push through. All right, guys, let's condition this bearing. I'm just going to get this kind of started. All right. Now I'm going to switch out to my T6. Get my body screws. Body screw. And then we got to get our clip positioned in there. I'm going to clean off. I've got a lot of Loctite on that screw. So what we will do, put it there in our little alcohol wipe and get the Loctite out of those threads, which we did. See it on there? I can always re-Loctite it if I need to. Matter of fact, since it's the clip, I'll go ahead, grab my Loctite stick. This is a little different because it's a gel. It's still the medium Loctite. I like it because it's not all runny, gooey, and it seems to set up a little quicker. But this is not on the pivot, so it doesn't matter. This is just to get our clip good and stuck in there. All right. We're a little loose on our blade because I didn't tighten it all the way down. Where is our T8? I should be able to tighten that all the way down. All right. Dead nut centered. The 3/64ths were the ticket, guys. Perfectly tight. Whoops, I failed it. No blade play. Now, our Kizer Varatas has skiffs. You don't have that blade play in between because, again, it's sitting on 15 ceramic balls. So to me, it's just well worth a $12, $13 investment, in my opinion, for skiffs. Use Javon 10 at checkout. You'll save a little bit of cash. But that is the Kizer Varatas. And we now know that the 5mm, 3/64, 15 count are a match. If you've got the Varatas or the black DLC coated Varatas, I think that will be your call. And then again, I'm a big believer in this little cheat sheet. It's helped me out a lot. The little template that allows you to take your stock bearings and run them through it and then measure your pivot. Guys, we have successfully completed our task without having to add a struggle bus to our thumbnail, which is a win. One of my favorite recent Kizer knives, Ray Laconico design, absolute stunner, has great action, great ergonomics. I do wish the detent was a little stouter, but that's, everybody has a preference. This thing's tuned perfectly for the front flip. I hate front flippers, so for me, I'm not going to use that much, but it's still plenty snappy for that finger deployment. Guys, I appreciate each and every one of you. I love it that you watch my videos, that you come back to watch my videos. All I ask is please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Look out for one another. Go forward with love in your heart. Be up. Choose debate, not hate. And if you haven't had a chance to subscribe yet, it would really help me out if you'd hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon. I love you all. Peace.